Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll talk about Python generators. Python provides a generator to create your own iterator function. That's it, very simple. A generator also is a special type of function which doesn't return a single value. Instead, it returns an iterator object with a sequence of values. In a generator function, there is a statement called yield. A yield statement is used rather than a return statement to return any value. Let's take a simple example for building a simple generator function. We'll create a simple function called new generator, then try to type print first result, then the yield statement to return 20. Inside the new generator also, let's add another print function to print second result, and after that the yield statement also to return 40. And also inside the scope of the new generator, let's add another one. Insert print last result followed by yield 60 to return 60. In this program, the new generator function is a simple generator function, and it uses the yield statement instead of the return keyword. So this program will return the value against the yield keyword each time it's called. However, you need to create an iterator for this function. Let's see this in action. We'll create a comment, say return values for each yield. Then a simple variable called gen1 equals to the new generator function to iterate over this generator. We are gonna create an iterator for this new generator function here. And we are gonna use the next statement to return each next item in our iterator. Type print next and place the name of the variable in between the parentheses of the next method. Once you run this file, you will get first result string in the terminal, and after that you will get 20 in the next line. And also you can use the next method for the second yield and the third yield. This is our iterator, and it's gonna give us first result 20, then second result 40, then last result 60 inside the integrated terminal. This is a simple example of a generator to create your own iteration function. Try to do that yourself with another function, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time, to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.